Hello guys, my name is Ravindra. In this video we will talk about git push. Git push is used to push the changes that we have made locally. So let's first head over to the GitHub repository. As we can see, there are two files. Now in this video, to show you the git push, I will take two files here. Let's rename it. This is file 2. Let's add some data here. This is file 1. This is file 2. Now let's go to our terminal. Let's head over to the local repository. Do git status here. Here we can say that the file that we have added here, these are the untracked files, file 1 and file 2. Now, so before pushing, we have to commit it. So let's first commit it. In order to commit, you need to add these files. So git file. Now after adding this file, we have to commit it. Let's name our commit. Now if you do the git status, this file won't be shown here because we have committed it. Now we will git push it. Now both these files should be pushed in our GitHub repository. Now let's refresh it. These files are present here, and the changes that we have made in this file are also present here. It is not necessary that you always have to create a file. So let's edit our file 1. We can also push the changes without creating a new file. So let's edit this file 1. Now let's save it. Now let's clear it first. Now do the git status. Now because we have modified this file, that's why it is showing the changes. So now let's commit. Now let's edit before committing. Now let's commit it. Give commit message. Now git push it. Now let's just refresh it now. Now we can see that without adding the file here, we have also made the changes in this file one and also pushed it in the repository. So that's all for the git push. I hope that you like this video.